Hello, Caroline here. Last week's spread put the Christmas tree in the spotlight. This week, it's gonna be the Christmas gifts. I know, gifts are not the important part of Christmas, but you gotta admit, just looking at them makes you excited like a little kid. As usual, I just used the same technique that I've been using for the last couple of months, or even more. I gotta change it up sometime and try something new out, but that's gonna be for a later date. But in case you're new here, I first did all the outlines with the Sakura Pigma Micron and then went over them with watercolors, filling out the outlines, trying to lay down the base first and later on add the shadows. The setup is very easy to make, but it just looks detailed because of the amount of lines I added as well as the gold accents. If you liked it, click the thumbs up button and subscribe button. All the materials I used are in the description box below. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!